This is e-content for the program Bachelor of Social Work. The subject is Sociology for Social Work Practice of the first semester of Kuvempu University. The session number is 14. The topic is Process and Mechanism of Social Control, and this is a part 1 of this topic because part 2 has been included in another session. So it includes the process of social control. Let us begin with the recap of the previous class. The students studied about social control and deviance in the previous class. The learning objectives for this session are to understand the process of social control. The expected session outcomes are that students understand the process of social control. So, this process of social control is brought about by two means. The first is formal means of social control, and second is the informal means of social control. Now, let us have a look at what formal means of social control means. So, first we will see what it includes. So, formal means of social control include laws, legislations, military force, police force, administrative devices of the state. Also, the different types of religious, economic, political, cultural, and other types of associations and institutions are included in the formal means of control. Let us have a look at the creation of these formal means of social control. So, these formal means of social control are the ones which are deliberately created. Now, looking at the punishments for violation of these formal means of social control, the violation of such rules and regulations is met with different types of punishments depending on the gravity of the violations. The punishments for such violations also are usually clearly stated. Such organizations also have a body of officials who are vested with powers of enforcement of the rules and regulations and also for imposing punishments. Now let us have a look at the informal means of social control. So first we will see what it includes. So informal means of social control include gossip, slander, public opinion, sympathy, folkways, mores, customs, religion, morality, sense of justice, etc. Now let us see what how it is created. So the informal means of social control are created spontaneously and not purposefully. It is very difficult to trace the origin of these informal means of social control. These means of social control originate on their own and get established in the society over time. Gradually, they become part of the society. So, let us have a look at the punishments for the violation of such informal means of social control. As opposed to the formal means of social control, the punishments for the violation of the informal means of social control are not specified anywhere. The violators are not hence given any specific punishment. However, these means of social control are more effective in controlling behavior than the formal means of social control, especially in the case of primary social groups such as family or peer group. Informal means of control are more effective. Let us have a look at the session summary. The process of social control is carried out through formal and informal means. Now, coming to the multiple choice questions, the first multiple choice question says the process of social control is carried out through A. Formal means, B. Informal means, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above, and the right answer is C. Both A and B. The second MCQ says the formal means of social control include A. Legislations, B. Police force, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above, and the right answer is C. Both A and B. The third question is the formal means of social control include A. Political associations, B. Religious associations, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above, and the right answer is C. Both A and B. The informal means of social control include A. Gossip, B. Public opinion, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above, and the right answer is C. Both A and B. The informal means of social control are created A. Spontaneously, B. Deliberately, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the right answer is C. A. Spontaneously. So these are the books which I have been referred to for the preparation of this e-content, and you may refer these for a better understanding of the topic. Thank you.